Is your stapler leaking air from the top? You might have a bad head valve assembly. The head valve assembly works with the trigger valve to fire the gun. When the trigger is pulled, the trigger valve allows pressurized air that is above the head valve to vent. This allows the head valve to lift and send a rush of air into the cylinder, firing the piston. If the head valve doesn't seal tightly against the cylinder, air will leak past and out the gun's exhaust. If the valve won't open, the gun can't fire. The valve can be disabled by dirt or other debris. The valve is made up of several plastic components and rubber seals. Over time, these will harden and crack, allowing air to leak. Replacing the head valve assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top cap. Now remove the head valve assembly. Now install the new head valve assembly. The portion of the head valve assembly that's open goes towards the back of the gun. So I'll line this up. This white cap goes on top. I'll replace the exhaust filter, followed by the top cap, and I'll secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to replace the head valve on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.